man, wie geht it? How's it going? So what we're going to do, we're going to take a lovely riverside bike ride from Ettelbruck here to Echternach, Luxembourg's oldest town, and then to Wasserbillig. So join me, won't you? It will be fun. I just can't get over how green this all is. Look at that, the river right there. Good, how you doing, man? So do you ride this route a lot?
Yes, well, 1 or 2 times per week, yes.
Oh, really?
Yes, yes.
What do you like about it?
It's flat, it's easy, it's relaxed for me.
No hills?
No hills, no nothing, no.
All right, dude, you go ahead, man.
Okay.
So this is Echternach. This is about the 2/3 mark of the trip, and a great place to stop and get a coffee and something to eat. Echternach, of course, is the home of the Sprang Procession, which sadly they weren't able to have this year, but hopefully next year. I think I'll finish my coffee and get back on the road. Ah, so here's the first vineyard, sort of the first evidence that you are out of the Mullertal and you are now in the Moselle. So there it is, where the Sauer River, the river we've been following all day, where it empties into the Moselle. And here in Wasserbillig, lowest point in Luxembourg. Thanks for joining me. Great ride. That was a lot of fun. There's my... I will get the next train. Addy ciao. Tip top.